What time is it?
Well, welcome to What Time Is It? Listen, I'm in my kitchen. I'm in a portion of my kitchen. I did some prep work to try to keep the video timely. So what I am making today, now I welcome you to follow my journey, Healthy Living with Victoria, on Facebook, Healthy Living with Victoria. I have a small following of individuals, but I want to introduce you to this. You may know about it, vegan chickpea tuna. Now, I know if you haven't heard of it, that's like, oh my goodness, what is she making? But give it a try. I want to introduce you to some healthy dishes. A lot of times things are right underneath your nose. It's economical, it's healthy. You can make it the way that you like. So you look at the way that I do it. What you're going to need is some chickpeas. It's up to you whether or not you get the dried chickpeas that you soak overnight or even 2 days. You can put it in the fridge and just soak it. I put hot water on it and I soak it for 2 days. I make sure that the chickpeas are immersed underwater. Or you could get the can. I try to stay away from canned things. They have organic canned chickpeas, and they also come in the box. Different supermarkets carry them. So do what you feel is best. You're also going to need some red onions, some celery, cucumbers, bell peppers, kelp, garlic. I have carrots, and I have cucumber. I have mayonnaise. You can use vegan mayonnaise or regular mayonnaise. The difference is the vegan mayonnaise doesn't have the egg in it. And if you are vegan, then that is the way that you should go. And if you have high cholesterol, that probably is the right way that you should go too. I also have some turmeric, salt and pepper. I have the Ninja, whatever food processor is good for you. I have my chickpeas that I soaked and I boiled. I usually boil it. I soak them for 2 days and I boil it, and but like 2 hours on a low heat until they're nice and soft. Okay, so let's get started into the Ninja. I usually, a lot of times people drain. I still have some of the juice in here because I want it to be, I want it to be, I don't want it to be dry, I want it to be moist and flavorful. If you want, you can put the other items that I named with the celery, the onion, the bell pepper. You can put those items in now, but I choose not to because I like to have the texture. Like I said, please rearrange this, but just try it. Promise me you're going to try it. And when you do try it, please let me know. Take pictures, send it to me. Go in the comment. And just in case you're new to the page, please subscribe and share and thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. So right into the Ninja. I like this thing. And so there are some people that say don't do it all the way, because this also is a way to make hummus. All I have to do is put the other ingredients in there, sesame oil and the other ingredients. That's on another recipe. I do happen to like it pretty fine. But if you want that texture, and if you don't have any of these items, you can just mash it. You can get a potato masher and you can just mash it. So we're going to have this come out and just see if the texture is right, and I think it is perfect because I put a little bit of the juices in there. Okay, and Ninja always comes to the rescue, and you just empty that out. I just put part of it in for this demonstration. Okay, so I am cooking on my YouTube page. I hope everybody is doing well. I really do want you to get ready. We are now in spring and summer is upon us. Everything is going really, really fast. Very, very fast. So welcome to What Time Is It in the Kitchen. Okay, and so we've got a little bit of turmeric. I put it in any excuse I can get to get turmeric in because it is really good for you, and it gives the recipe color. So, you know, as I salt and pepper, as I use the items, I'm just going to take them away. And then this is not exact measurements right here. I'm just putting a little bit in, and then you can taste it. You taste it and you see, you know, what is better. So I'm going to bring all my ingredients closer to me. Okay, so you can see what I have. That's garlic powder. That's kelp. The seafood vegetable. This is you know, is grind up kelp. Then there are other seafood things that just gives you the seafood taste. This vegan chickpea tuna. This is bell pepper. You can use green. This is what I had. I had yellow, I had red, and I had orange. Those are really like the sweetest. I have the cucumber and the lettuce, part of my garnish. I chop up really, really fine the celery, okay, and red pepper, okay, red onions. You can use shallots, you can use yellow onions. I happen to like red onions raw. They're very good. And you might need a little chewing gum after that. And then we have a mixture of the mayonnaise, and I like to put tartar sauce in there. Now you could use the mayonnaise and put like some relish in there. It just kind of gives it a little, and then there's a little bit of mustard in there, that tangy. So you just put that all in, combine everything, just like that. The only cooking that you do is with the chickpeas. You don't have to cook here. Just like that. And then you put how much you want in. So I got the beautiful, beautiful bell peppers going in. You know, you don't have to use this like a cup. You know, you might not want too many onions going in. It depends on you and your guests and who's eating it. And this makes a great snack and a meal. You can top this off with a salad. You know, you can put it right on top of the salad. Put it right on the salad. Put a little bit of garlic in there. Not the whole thing, because I have other things that I'm going to cook. And I might do another video after this one. And you just go easy, because, you know, put a little bit in there. And you can always adjust it, okay? You always adjust it. And you just mix it up. Mix it up real good. See, doesn't that look like a little bit like it's tuna? You know, and I think I want to put a little bit more kelp in there. I always love watching the food channels, different people cooking on YouTube. You know, this is not dry at all. This is very good. I made this one time, and just, you know, sometimes my husband works from home, and I made it, and I just brought it, and it's just really good. I serve it sometimes with these crackers, Trader Joe crackers. I'll put the picture in there, but they have, you know, it's a pretty healthy choice, you know. And you just put a few on the plate. You know, you can put fruit on your plate, some grapes and strawberries. Getting ready to go into strawberry season. You know, now put a little bit more in there. And this is very tasty. And this is pretty much done. All I have to do is just give this a quick another stir and quick, you know, taste to make sure that everything blended together. And it's even better the second day when all, you know, you put it in the refrigerator to, you know, to let all the seasonings and the flavors marry, and it's just like that. It's just like that. It was just that easy. So I'm just going to give that a little taste. Very good. Make sure you don't use too much mayonnaise. Nice crunch. That's why I didn't put those things. You can put it in if you don't like all of that crunch. You can blend it all up together, and the flavors, you know, this is good. This is perfect. So let me just take the time out. Yum yum. You know I'm gonna have some of that. You can put this on a plate with some cucumbers, with some carrots, with some celery and some fruit and the crackers, and you have your lunch. You can also take a nice salad and put this in the middle, and you have a nice meal. You can also make a sandwich. You know, get you some bread. That's not too bad. Or you can put it on a wrap. You can just wrap it. Put some lettuce on it and put it on a wrap. And that is several meals with vegan chickpea tuna. Now it's vegan if you use vegan mayonnaise. It's not absolutely vegan if you use regular mayonnaise. So try the vegan mayonnaise out. Give it a shot. Let's try and lean into health. Let's try and do the best that we can. You know, there are so many different recipes that we can make our own. Another recipe that you're going to see me do, it's not a recipe. I'm going to do celery juice. You're going to see me do celery juice. That's going to come up in a future video. Or I'm going to take mushrooms, and I'm going to make some mushroom, I don't know what we really call it, like mushroom chicken, mushroom nuggets, but we're going to do something with mushrooms. Mushrooms are very healthy. A lot of people, really there is no one way. Either you hate mushrooms or you love them. Maybe you could lean into it, because I hated mushrooms as a child. But maybe you could lean into it, and you know, it's very healthy for you. There are going to be some other things that we're going to do. Some things with lentils. We're going to do some things with red lentils. We're going to do some things with my waffle iron. These are all some recipes that I'm working on that I want to bring you. But Healthy Living with Victoria is the page that I started on Facebook, mostly to hold myself accountable. It is so often that we make promises and we say, oh, I need to, I got to, I'm going to. And then life is busy, we get interrupted, we get distracted, we're not focused. The best way for me to stay structured is to prep food. And so the way that I had everything prepped on the cutting board, that's how I prep it. So when I finish, I will clean up the kitchen, and I will take pictures of, you know, of the mushrooms that I'm getting ready to prep, that I'm going to cook. But there are so many ingredients. We have cauliflower. We have lentils. We have all kinds of beans. You know, we have navy beans. We have black eyed peas. We have kidney beans, chickpeas, all kinds of legumes. You know, and very inexpensive for you to make a meal. We're coming up, hopefully the crops will be really good, coming up on springtime. Some beautiful vegetables. I will bring you some of the smoothies. You could just take pineapple, you know, and combine it with some beautiful things and make you a nice smoothie. Pineapple, banana, strawberries, and green juices. So look out for those. Watch all the videos. I have some videos that focus on introducing my page, introducing my sons, introducing my business, Victoria's Fragrances and More, introducing Healthy Living, and soon introducing What Time Is It Productions. and giving you some short theatrical entertainment. Okay? So thank you so much for taking out the time. Please subscribe. Please share. Please like. It helps the channel do well, and we want it to do well because this is a positive zone. And in the world that we are living in now, we need some positive things going on. Thank you so much.